Namaste, 10th standard. So, continuation of the lesson, The Girl Who Was Anne Frank, written by Louis de Jong. So, in my last video, we just discussed about what is diary, and we also came to know who was Anne Frank. Anne Frank was the daughter of Otto Frank in the regime of Hitler, who wanted to destroy the Jew race due to his hatredness towards the Jews, had said that he had issued almost all the laws were against anti-Jewish decrees. So they were the victims of his decrees, Hitler's decrees, and before they could ship to Amsterdam, they were in the German. His father, Anne Frank's father, was a businessman, a banker. So when they shifted to Netherlands, he just started a business of spices with his refugee friend, a partner, Van Daan. So Anne Frank was born on 1929. She was her full name was Annelies Marie, and after they shifted to Netherlands, the Nazi invaded Netherlands in May 1940, and they went for hiding in the same building where they had their business. The hiding place was called Annexure, and one more person was added to their family, that was a dentist. He too was a Jew. So in 1942, Margot, Anne's elder sister, was called for deportation, but her parents did not send her for deportation. Continuing, Songbird in hiding. There were 800 people, so the total number of the family member in that annexure was 8 members. Any sound, any light betray their presence. A tenuous link with the outside was provided by the radio and by 4 courageous members of Otto Frank's staff. 2 of them typists, who in secret brought food, magazines, books. The only other company they had was a cat. So when they were hiding, they could not switch on the lights, they could not make any noise. So it was the condition there. So they had a radio to get connected to the outside world, and 4 courageous office staff have helped them in the hiding. The 4 office staff used to bring them food and magazines and books, and 2 of them were typists. So the only other company they had was only one cat. Para number 11. While in hiding, Anne decided to continue a diary which her parents had given her on her 13th birthday. She described life in the annex with all its inevitable tensions and quarrels, but she created first and foremost a wonderfully delicate record of adolescence, sketching with complete honesty a young girl's thoughts and feelings, her longing and loneliness. I feel like a songbird whose wings have been brutally torn out and who is flying in utter darkness against the bars of his own cage, she wrote when she had been isolated from the outside world for nearly 16 months. 2 months later, she had filled every page of the diary, a small book bound in a tartan cloth, and one of the typist's maid gave her an ordinary exercise book. Later, she used Margot's chemistry exercise book. Her diary reveals the trust she puts in a wise father her grief because as she feels it, her mother does not understand her. The ecstasy of a first rapture kiss, exchanged with the Van Dan's 17-year-old son. Finally, the flowering personality, eager to face life with adult courage and mature self insight. On a slip of paper and wrote faked names which she intended to use in case of publication. For the time, the diary was her own secret, which she wanted to keep from everyone, especially from the grumpy dentist with whom she had to share her tiny bedroom. Her father allowed her to put her diaries in his briefcase. He never read them until after her death. So, in this passage, it is revealed that the diary she was writing was a gift from her parents on her 13th birthday. So she described life in the annex. What she has written in the diary was nothing but the life in the annex, the hiding place, with all its inevitable tensions, quarrels, whatever she has faced in that annex with the family and other members. She has written in that. But she created first and foremost a wonderfully delicate record of adolescence. Adolescence is the age of your age. 10th standard, 9th standard, PUC, these age people are called adolescents. So, whatever she has written, her experience, her feelings in the life, she has described in that diary. She has sketching with complete honesty a young girl's thoughts and feelings. So, whatever it has come to her mind, sincerely she has written in that diary. Her longing and loneliness. What she has written about her longing, what she wants, what she wishes to be, and her loneliness. Also, not only her wishes, not only her longingness, then also she has written about her loneliness, how lonely she feels in that annexure. I feel like a songbird. I feel like a songbird. She has written in that. This is a direct sentence taken from the diary. I feel like a songbird whose wings have been brutally torn out, and who is flying in utter darkness against the bars of its own cage. So, what she has written, what she feels like in that annexure. She feels like a bird, a songbird, a singing, a bird of free mind. The bird who you cannot cage a bird because it is it's like a jail. It's a punishment, a big punishment. The birds who are free flying in the sky, if you keep it in the cage, it is nothing but it's a death like them. So same way, it's the same feeling she has here. She loves flying, she loves independence, but here she has written, I feel like a songbird whose wings, the songbird, somebody has cut the wings of that songbird similarly to her life and Frank's life, brutally cut, and who is flying in utter darkness. The utter darkness is trying to fly against the bars of its own cage. So there is no place. It is just something. 16 months means it's not small. We can't sit inside the house for one day or 1 week. We cannot sit. And they stayed in that annex without contact of outside world for 16 months. It's something depressing. She wrote when she had been isolated from the outside world for nearly 16 months. She has written when she was cut off from the outside world. Not only she, the whole family, Frank family and Van Dan family, both were cut off from the outside world. They had no other way of connection except the radio and the 4 staff members who used to help them in their daily life. 2 months later, she had filled every page of the diary. So, within 2 months, the diary got over. and a small book bound in a tartan cloth. How the diary looked like, a small book bound in a tartan cloth, and one of the type. So after finishing another one, this diary, his typist and Otto Frank's typist Mape, her name is Mape, had brought another ordinary exercise book. That too got over within short time. Later, she started using Margot's, her sister's chemistry exercise book. So that's how she had the craze. This shows how she loves to write about herself, like diary writing. She loved writing the diary. So everything she had, she's getting over due to her writings. Her diary reveals the trust and she puts in the wise father. She loves her father more than her mother. So she trusts about her father, her grief, because as she feels it, her mother does not understand her. What she feels, in those days, in that age, she used to feel that her father is more wise, her father is trustworthy than her mother, and she used to feel that mother doesn't like her and she doesn't like her mother. Her mother does not understand her. She used to feel that her mother does not understand her. The ecstasy of a first rapturous kiss exchanged with the Vandans. She has also written the first rapturous kiss which she has exchanged with Vandan's 17-year-old son. Then finally she has written also about the flowering personality eager to face life with adult courage and mature self-insight. She has also written about her thinking, her future plans and her feelings, and how she wants to face this world. That all she has written in her diary. Her diary revealed on a slip of paper and wrote fake names. She has also written some fake names. She had plans of publishing this book until she finishes a certain age. But that's why what she did, she just wrote in a slip of paper some fake names, some fake names